What's up everyone, my name is Brian. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to speak fluent English if you don't know a lot of English words. If you're new to this channel, you might want to consider subscribing. There are gonna be new videos about English learning strategies coming up every week, so make sure you don't miss them.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Before we get started, I have several questions for you. When was the last time you couldn't find the exact word to express yourself when you spoke English? What are those words and what words did you use instead? Back in the day, whenever time I talked to my American friends, I always got this question thrown at me. What? I realized it was not because I didn't know what I was saying, instead it was a verb I used that are quite confusing. For example, instead of saying, do you want to hang out after class? I would say,
hey, you want to play after class?
Sorry man, I have a girlfriend, but thanks.
Oh, it's fine, your girlfriend can join too.
What? Bruh. So if you want to make yourself sound more accurate and fluent, you might want to use phrasal verb. So what is phrasal verb? Basically means a frequently used verb plus a particle like up and down, in and out, with, off, etc. In my another video called 3 Misconceptions of Spoken English, I've already concluded 300 most frequently used English words in daily conversations. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure you go check it out. Why are we doing this? Because fewer the words you put in your sentence, the faster your brain is going to react. Thus, you're going to be able to speak faster in the conversation.
Because you want to be able to speak fast, and then you can speak fast, no one else can speak fast, so you can speak fast, and no one else can speak fast, no one can understand you.
That's why we're gonna replace all the complicated words with phrasal verbs, which can definitely help your English sounds more
natural, fluent,
And native.
I have absolutely no idea what's going on.
Today, I'm gonna give you 16 common phrasal verbs that native speakers use in daily conversations. With no further ado, let's get started.
Number 1, ask out. When you ask someone to go with you to spend time together and have fun, usually in a romantic way. Yo, how's the day with Catherine? It went pretty good. I might ask her out again. Number 2, back off. When you're threatened or intimidated by someone, you can say, back off.
What are you reading?
I need some personal space. Can you back off a little bit?
Monster kill!
Number 3, mess up. When you did something wrong or ruined something. Yo, Brian, how's your last final going? I skipped 4 questions in a row. I think I messed up.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Number 4, catch up. To move faster to reach something or someone that is ahead of you. Hey, you wanna go out tonight? Nah, man, I gotta catch up a paper that's due tonight. Aww. Number 5, drop out. Quit school or a class. Have you seen Michael recently? Oh, that guy. I think he just dropped out of school.
Hey, what happened?
Number 6, end up. The end result of something that is planned or unplanned. Where did you go last night? I've been looking for you. I mean, I got too drunk last night. Ended up waking up in the middle of nowhere.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Number 7, freak out. Panic, scared, or lose control. Oh shit, my parents gonna kill me. Oh my god. Oh come on, it's not the end of the world, don't freak out. Number 8 and number 9, get over and get over with. Get over means overcome a difficulty, but get over with means get something done as soon as possible. Hey, what's wrong with you? Catherine just broke up with me. Oh, I'm sure you can get over it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
Usually something that is not enjoyable to do. Number 10, hang out. Please don't say play anymore, unless you do want to play. Alright, hang out means a casual way to spend time with someone. Number 11, lay back. Lay back means to express something or someone who is easygoing or a go with the flow type of person.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal mother.
Number 12, pull over. This word means to stop what you're doing at a very moment, usually when you're driving.
You know why I pulled you over? Depends on how long you were following me.
Number 13, ring up. Ring up means to total or count money by a cash register. Number 14, space out. When someone's attention is not in the moment. Number 15, throw up. This word can replace the word vomit or puke. The last one, workout. Workout means exercise, usually in the gym.
Question of the day, what's the difference between get over and get over with? Make sure to leave your comment down below and let me know. With that being said, thank you for watching and being on this journey with me. I'm gonna go out there, enjoy the sun, and get that vitamin D. I will see you next time.
Peace.